This screencast will show you how to add an event to your class in eChalk. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're logged into eChalk and you're clicked on My Classes. In here, it will list all the classes that you teach. Choose which class you'd like to add an event to. So let's say I choose math. Up here, you click the plus button to add an event. Plus. And now you'll get to a window that has all the options for your class, for your event. You need to check the day that you'd like the event to be, so if you want to set it to the current day, or you click the calendar button and you can set it to any day in the future or in the past. So let's set it to Friday, tomorrow. You can also set a recurrence, so if you want this to be something that happens every Friday, click Set Recurrence. And you can decide to repeat the event. Maybe you want it to happen for 7 days. Maybe you want it to repeat every 7 days so that it'll repeat every Friday. Or you can just repeat it on a couple days. So you could put it on, just 2 Fridays. So however you'd like to set the recurrence pattern. Save changes. Most of the time you'll just have an event on one day. Now, event type. You don't need to select an event type, but you'll see the advantage of doing that soon. Click an event type. I'll call mine homework, and it's going to be math homework. So choose math homework as my event title, and now I have this whole area in which to describe my event. So if it's math homework, I could give directions. Number 1, or let's say this is your math homework for tonight. First is download the assignment. You could say answer all the addition problems. And then 3 could say, dropbox your homework. Now you can leave it as simple as that, and then attach the file that you said download the assignment. So if I was going to attach a file, I'll go down here and say browse, and I would find the file on my computer. If I saved it in my documents, I would know where it was in my documents. If I left it on my desktop, click choose, and it'll attach the file. If I want to make this a little bit nicer to read, because the font's a little small, you can highlight this and you can change the font. Pick a new font, pick a new size. And then if you want a different color, you can pick a different color. Make it green or red, however you'd like that. I could also add a picture to my event in a couple ways. You can add a picture right down here. This picture will just be small and will be next to the event, or you could add a picture inside the white box. So we'll start here. Adding an image here, so choose an image, and now it brings you to the eChalk gallery, and from here you can look up math or whatever word, or you can just choose their category, mathematics, and the homework is addition problems, so maybe I'll find one that goes with addition. Here's a fun one. Add image, and now it's going to add the image down here. Now, the biggest this image can be is 75, that's 75 pixels. It won't let you make the picture any bigger. Okay. Align, this is if you want to be on the left side or the right side. We'll put it on the right. And you can always change the picture or remove the picture if you don't like it. Or if I want to add a picture in here, I can add a picture in here, and I'll show you that in a minute. So now I've added an image, I've attached the file, and I want this to appear in my math class. But let's say I taught 3 math classes and they were all listed in here. I could check the boxes and make them appear in every class that I teach. So I have all my information. Then I click Save Event. It's just asking me to check the dates, save the changes, and now you can see that it's posted on this Friday and on next Friday, because I chose for it to be posted on those days. The picture I added is right here. I aligned it to the right, so it's on the right side. And also all the directions are right in here. If I go back to my classes to see this, you can see what it looks like on the My Class page. So now it's right here, it's added here, and it's added here. You'll notice though that this takes up a lot of space, whereas something like this doesn't take up very much space at all. So if we want to go back and edit, if there's something wrong or anything like that, you can click just right here on the assignment, or you can click on the class and click on the assignment. And then once you're on the assignment, click the pencil to edit. And yes, you want to edit it for all the classes because you want to change it for every class. So yes. So now in here, you'll notice that this box is checked, or sorry, this circle. It says show a short description. If it's shown as a short description, it takes up a lot of page in that calendar area. Or you can show in a separate page. So if I save that, you'll see that now you won't see the details here, but if students click on that assignment, see it's in blue, you click on that assignment, it'll bring you to the page with all the details, and there's our picture again. So it's up to you how you'd like to show it. If you want to show it as a short description, it looks like this, or if you want to show it in a separate page, it looks like this. Either way, all the information is there for the students. Now the other option is the directions you gave. Go back to editing. Were to Dropbox an assignment. So I'm going to make sure to attach my file. And then I'm going to choose allow students to submit completed work to this assignment using the homework Dropbox. Check that box, that means they can turn homework in. Save event. Same thing. And now there's a little Dropbox that shows they have to Dropbox something and a little paperclip showing that you've attached something. So that's how you create an event in eChalk.